How does it sound for you to make money with almost nothing, like out of the thin air? Actually, it's not from nothing. It's more like from your brain. So this is you monetizing your expertise, your experiences, your passion, your knowledge, your skills in the form of a digital product, an information digital product. And in this series, I'll be covering online courses. In particular, we have several digital products, right? Online courses, webinars, masterclasses, sheets, templates, and so on and so forth, right? But this one is focused on using online courses because I have an amazing experience monetizing my knowledge with online courses. So in today's video, I'm going to take you through the basics. So if you're a beginner or this is your first time of creating online courses, this is the video you want to watch till the very end. I break it down for you in about 7 to 10 parts. You will enjoy this, I promise you. Are you ready to learn? Come with me, let's do this. Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Your home as an expert, a thought leader who wants to monetize your knowledge with coaching, monetize your skills with digital products, your expertise and things like that. Here we focus on you becoming a highly paid coach and also creating information-based digital products and then of course sales funnel. So if this sounds like what you want to learn, this is your home. Hit the subscribe button and be sure to check out my videos every week, okay? My name is Temi Ajibewa, by the way. Those who know me call me the Electric Temi. I am privileged to be your teacher today and I'll be breaking down for you online creation for beginners. Like I said, this is a series. It's in parts, okay? So you'll be learning today what I call the pillar, the major pillar you need to succeed with your online course, and that is your mindset, the right mindset. This is so important if you want to make money. So this one is on money making mindset for online course creators. This one can make or mar you. This one is like the difference. It's just it can change everything for you, basically, okay? And I have 7 mindset or mind work that you need to do for you to become a profitable, money-making online course creator, okay? The first one here that most course creators start with is, oh, I don't know enough. Trust me, nobody knows enough. How about that? Nobody knows enough. But the thing here is you're not here to teach all you know. No. You're not here to teach everybody. No. You're here to teach what you know that can help the other person. As an expert, you need just about 10% more knowledge than the person on the streets. And you could have acquired this from the books you've read, the courses you've taken, the mentoring you've been privileged to have, right? So it's not as if you have to know so much. No, just know enough to help the next person. Just know tangible stuff that can help the people you've been sent to. And that's all. Because if you wait till you know enough, you will just fall into this spin where you keep trying to learn new things over and over and it will not work. The second one is I'm not good enough, or I'm too young, I'm too old. Come on now, you are not any of those things. You are good enough just as you are. For you to have the art to help other people, you are more than good enough already. You are good enough. What you have is valuable. And if you share value, people would be ready and willing to pay you for it. Okay? Number 3 is, will they pay for the course? yes, they will pay. Why? Because it's valuable. People pay for value. The clothes you're wearing, you bought it because what? It's valuable. The phone you're using, you bought it because it's valuable. Your system, your rent, you pay because what? It is valuable to you. Okay, so people will pay for your online course. So you should be thinking, will my ideal audience find this valuable? Okay, if they will, then you're good to go. The fourth one here is, oh, I have so many things I can teach. Which do I start with? Oh, amazing. You know, I have a course right here that would teach you which of your many talents or many passions or many interests to niche down on. This video, I just recently did it, and it's on how to find your perfect niche as a multi-talented person. So that video will really help you. But trust me, just start with one thing, and then from there you can grow to other things. Okay, the next one here is, you may be thinking, there are so many people teaching this already. Yes, they could be, and it's okay. If anything, that tells you that that is a profitable niche. That is an area that you want to focus on, because it shows that there is lots of people who want to know about it, and that it's a big market for you to play in. Okay, the number 6 here is, I'm not techie, neither am I. Come on now, don't kill yourself over the tech aspect of creating an online course. Okay, it's not just worth it. With online courses, you can actually start with your barest minimum. You can launch your online course in a Facebook group. Yes, using PowerPoint slides, and you teach from there. That's all. Okay, you can have it on a Zoom call. Share your slides, and that's it. Or in a WhatsApp group. Record your videos on Zoom, upload to Vimeo or YouTube, share the videos. I mean, you can start with anything. As you make money, then you hire people. You employ those who are really, really good at the whole tech thing, and that would not stop you. So pending when you will hire people, use YouTube. Watch this thing. It's just a click. There's nothing beyond a click. You're not even coding. Just to click or tap your phone, and you have it done. YouTube videos should be your friend when it comes to learning anything tech. Okay, and then finally, you may be saying, nobody knows me, no one will buy from me. Come on, everybody who is known today started unknown. Yes, everybody you know today, there was a time you did not know them. True or false? True, of course. That's the same way it's going to happen with you as well. When you start, people will begin to know you. They will begin to like you. They will begin to trust you, and then they will buy from you. Okay, and then thank God for social media. Put out your content on social media, befriend people, search using hashtags on Instagram, search using keywords on Facebook, search on Google, go on YouTube. Right here you will find other leaders, thought leaders, who are doing what you want to do. Follow their processes, learn from them, buy their courses, and in no time they will hear your name. Okay, yes, your name will also become known among experts in your field. So I hope that this first video has really helped you to break down the limiting beliefs you may have about making money or monetizing your knowledge with online courses. Okay, this one is the first thing you need to battle. There's a video below this link where you can watch a almost 1 hour free masterclass on how to create and sell digital products without the tech confusion or overwhelm, even if nobody knows you yet. Okay, the link to the video will be below this video. You should go ahead and watch it. And also there's a link for you to book a call with me. If you'd like me to go through your business, go through your brand building, your structure, your processes, you should book a call with me. Let's have a strategy session where you can pick my brain on how to make money with your brand. I'll see you in the next video, the part 2 of this video. The link will be below this video as well. Talk to you soon. Bye.